Hello everyone, happy to see you all once again in this video. In this video, we are going to unbox the Vivo V20 2021 edition. It was launched, I think, before 2 weeks. It's not an official launch, and none of the YouTuber done the review of it. We are the first YouTuber from, I think, South. We are doing. Let's see and go and unbox the Vivo V20 2021 edition. And now you are seeing this pic and the video in Vivo V20 only. I mean Vivo V20 2021 edition. How is the video quality? Say in comment section. Let's go into the video, and I forgot to say very happy new year to you all. Thank you. Let's go into the video. You want to see the unboxing of the video, and I just set up the phone to ready to use. It was good. I think they given a strong Android experience in that. So some of the features is not available, like how many MP you have consumed for one day, for how many network, how the network speed going on, current now that and all not available because of the stock Android experience. I think it will be this the demerit of this phone, and other than all, it is a small camera, not it's a small DSLR. It will be perfectly working all the light condition. We know none of the phone can't be working good in the low light conditions. Let's see the in-depth review of camera. I am so excited to do this, and I am so impressed with the camera of the Vivo V20 2021 edition, because they changed the chipset. What is the difference in the Vivo V20 and V21 is we asked. Vivo V20 have the 720G chipset. It is one of the gaming chipset, and this phone was successful version for the camera. So they started a 730 processor. It is capable of making the images, the photography more impressive and more saturated, and very good output clarity will come. So they replaced the 720G to 730. It's a good processor for all the voice recording. More the codecs is that I will put the Qualcomm 720 and 720G and 730 difference in the screen. You can see what are the difference in it. let's go into the camera in-depth review. If you are enjoying this video or you have a useful content or you have a info in this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please hit a like button. Please help me to reach 1k family. Thank you. I'm just running. See how the video output is. Where I will post the other in that. I just going to stop this video. It's very cloudy. Now you can see this building is how cloudy it is. In Bangalore, it is very cloudy. Today, Thursday, 14th January. It's a very cloudy day. See how it is 4K 30 FPS. Please ping a comment. How was the video clarity? See how is the portrait video. Comment in the comment section. How is the portrait video working? All the things are back in your blurred. Hope you all have a good time with me. You have seen all the features or camera features of this phone. If you still having any doubts, please ping me in the comment section. I will surely do a particular video of this. If you want the gaming feature of this phone, how the game performance will be there, you want means say in command. So definitely we will do that on PUBG, Call of Duty, all this heavy gaming phone gaming we will do. If you liked and you are enjoyed by this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Let's see another video. Bye.